Look, ChopSuey is ready. Pork belly ChopSuey is so yummy and delicious. See the pork belly? Yum, delicious, ready to eat now. And with the green beans, it's ready. And that's my breadfruit. So delicious, yummy. Can't wait to eat in my family. It's all ready to go. Hopefully you can enjoy this. See? See the pork. Ready to eat. So delicious. Hopefully you're gonna like it. I can give you show more some of my cooking, kind of cooking that I do every time. And I teach lots of people to cook, even baking. And I hopefully you're gonna really enjoy it. Look at the pork belly. So delicious and yummy. Can't wait to feed my family today. And I hopefully enjoy and learn from this. I want to show you more cooking. If you keep subscribe and keep on wanting to follow my channel, and thank God for another awesome blessing day. Love you people, and I keep everything for the glory of God. And I can't wait to eat with our green beans, and I'm grateful today. Thank you for watching, follow, and we will see you more next time. Love you people. God bless you. Have a blessing Sunday.